This is my HydroclubUSA setup on a Subaru Legacy GX 2001 model. I'll start on the left. The perforated bracket has both the relay and the current sensor. The bubbler goes to the rear firewall directly into the cone filter. Back here, all the cables are placed inside a sheathed tube down to the dry cell, which is located slightly above the bash plate for protection. Another angle where the hydrogen is injected using the Hydroclub HHO system. Here is my Subaru Legacy GX 2.5. See water vapor coming out.